Listen, man, my dog told me to do a food review.
Hey, yo. Alright.
My dog told me to do a food review. Oh, jerk chicken.
Yo, niggas is stupid. Alright, stop the video. Stop the video.
Oh shit.
Stop the spicy.
This nigga say it's tender on the inside, bro. Oh man. Food review for my dog Crusted Jerk chicken, man. Let me give y'all one more picture of this shit. Crusted jerk chicken, bro. Oh shit, man. Let me zoom in, bro.
Yo, let me ask you a question. Why is you? It's not that spicy though.
It ain't, bro.
Hey yo.
That hot, bro. Oh, boy, Kelly almost had a heart attack. With
3 of them.
Yeah, he got 3 of them.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Damn.
And we're back with another set of hot, funny, trending videos. You're watching Promo 24 TV live top 16 video mix. And I'm your host 24, aka the real 247-365. Alongside my co-host
DJ Bone Crusher, hottest in the city, man. Let's go.